Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Drive. This gives you immediate cloud access. Once done, gather the PDFs you need and rename them for clarity, because consistent names make searching faster. Make sure to plan a folder structure by project, date, or client so you avoid later chaos. Upload directly via drag and drop on desktop or the +new button. On mobile, use the upload icon. This first organization step saves time and prevents duplicate files. Now you upload and organize. Drag PDFs into your chosen folder or use +new file upload. It's quick. If you need to edit text, open a PDF and choose to convert to Google Docs, but keep the original PDF for sharing to preserve formatting. Once uploaded, use colors, stars, and subfolders to prioritize and group documents. This visual system speeds retrieval. Also, add descriptive file details in the description field so collaborators instantly understand purpose and versioning. Finish by sharing and scanning. Share PDFs with specific people and set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions so access is controlled. If you need a paper document, use Drive's mobile scan to create a searchable PDF with OCR. This makes text selectable and searchable. Finally, make sure to review storage usage and enable offline files if needed. If something goes wrong, check your internet, confirm you have storage quota, and verify app permissions. These fixes resolve most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.